So the following video is a little bit different. I am just going to be talking about some of the items that people have sent me and some of the items that I have made my own merchandise and the sale that I'm having to promote my merchandise. If you don't want to hear about that, just click off the video now. But if you do, stay tuned. So that hole right there in the wall is for a speaker. I just knew you guys were going to ask about that. I have not purchased the speaker yet, so anyways, that's what that's for. So today is Wednesday, November 21st, the day before Thanksgiving, and I've got some items here to unbox and show you. Most of these items came from subscribers. They sent these to me, and so I just want to show you as I open these and what they are. So this first one's from Pete at GCI Turf Academy. I sent him one of my shirts and asked him to just send me something in return. So we're gonna see what he sent here. So, looks like the first thing he sent was one of these, a GCI Turf sticker. Thank you, Pete. Oh, look at that. GCI Turf Services. Thank you, Pete. Sweet looking hat. Really like that. Okay, so the next thing, I already unboxed this, but this is a tie. So this is a flamingo necktie. This is from a subscriber in Payson, Utah. I forget the name of the subscriber and I apologize, but thank you so much for sending this. I love this tie. I've worn it several times and this thing hits the spot for me. So the next thing I've got here is a pair of flamingo socks. This came from Jimmy Lewis. He has a YouTube channel and I will link to his channel below. Thank you, Jimmy, for sending these pink flamingo socks. This one is from Cujo Yardwear. Looks like a little soda cooler here, Cujo Yardwear. And they also sent a t-shirt. This one says Cujo Yardwear right here like this. And on the back, we got the logo there. So I want to thank Cujo for sending me the shirt. And I also want to give a big shout out to Cujo. They did a giveaway where they gave away a free pair of shoes on my channel, and that was awesome. So if you guys are possibly interested in buying a pair of Cujo shoes, you can use my discount code for 10% off. It's Lawn Rebel 10. And that'll give you 10% off. They may have some other sales running. So I already opened up this one a little while ago. So this came from John Pinkerton. This juice in here is this stuff, the Total Vegetation Control. So we're calling this the Super Juice. So this he sent to me to take care of the cottonwoods. I'm sure of that. He didn't tell me he was sending it, but I'm gonna kind of dump it around and dilute it according to these directions and put the Super Juice on the cottonwoods. So John Pinkerton also sent this. This is the no pant zone, and I can totally agree to that. And we will get there here really soon. So I want to give a big shout out to John Pinkerton. He is the co-owner of That One Cupcake Place in Hiawatha, Iowa. And they are thatonecupcakeplace.com. I bought some cupcakes from that dude. These are gourmet cupcakes. Oh my gosh, those things blew my socks right off. Those things were freaking good. And thatonecupcakeplace.com. So thank you, Johnny Pinkerton. So this last one came from a guy by the name of DFW Pilot, and he is on the lawn forum. He is a guy that I met out in Dallas, and we had an awesome time hanging out together. So he sent me this one. This thing is awesome. I already know what this is because I saw it in his garage. I asked him to get me one of these. So this is a street sign. It says Lawn Forum Drive. Lawn Forum Drive, thelawnforum.com. This thing's awesome. So this thing came with a stand so I can mount this sign to it like this. And I can mount this in my garage, or I can put this wherever the heck I want to put it. So that was pretty awesome. DFW Pilot, thank you for sending this. Really appreciate it. I am going to make good use of this. So the last thing I have to talk about is my personal merchandise. I've got these Got Grass hats. They've got a green back with a Lawn Rebel on the back, the Pisser Offer on the side, and the Got Grass in the front. And then I've got a lime green version with the Lawn Rebel on the back, the Pisser Offer on the side, and the Got Grass on the front. And then I have this version, gray, with white lettering on the back and white lettering on the side. These are awesome. I'm selling these hats for 25 bucks for Black Friday. They're regularly 27, but through the weekend, through Cyber Monday, I'm gonna sell these for 25. I only have the limited few, not too many left, maybe 15 or 20 hats left. And then I have these shirts. I probably have maybe 15 or 20 of these shirts left, but I do have a few of these shirts. I'm selling these for $20 for Black Friday. And then I have some of these as well in some various sizes. These are selling for 20 bucks as well, shipped. I've got these stickers right here. These are Lawn Rebel stickers. So the last thing I've got is these women's shirts. I probably have maybe 4 or 5 or 6 of these shirts in different sizes. I think they're mostly primarily larges and mediums for women. So these shirts are a women's cut, and I'm selling these for $20 as well. So that's pretty well it. I just kind of wanted to show you an unboxing of what some of these awesome subscribers have sent to me, and I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me. I love the community that we are a part of. So I never thought I would be making videos, and I never thought I'd be selling merchandise like this, and I really appreciate you guys supporting me. Thanks for watching my videos. If you guys want to buy some of this merchandise, email me. My contact information will be down below. No, I do not have a web store. I will eventually get there, but I do not have a web store right now, and so you just have to email me and find out what size I have. If you want a hat, those are $25, and I'm selling the shirts for $20 through Cyber Monday. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.